Your system has been set to provide hot water throughout the day. It's preset to work at its most efficient, heating the water to 48 degrees and making the most of the energy generated by solar panels. The tank holds enough for several baths or showers, but when using more, you may notice a slight change in temperature. As hot water is used, fresh water is added to the tank and gradually heated to temperature. It takes around an hour to heat up from empty. If you have consistently cold water, there may be a fault in the air source system, and you should call us on 0800 052 2526 to report it. If this happens, you can use the backup immersion heater by turning on the switch next to the tank. It's important to remember that this is a more costly way of heating water and should only be used in an emergency. Once a week, the system will automatically heat the water in the tank to 60 degrees, killing any bacteria present. When this happens, you may notice the fan on your outside heat pump comes on. The water from your taps may also be warmer, and some of this hot water will enter the radiators in your home. This is nothing to worry about. The system will return to normal temperature after an hour or so. If you need to contact a member of staff or report a repair, please contact Wales and West Housing on 0800 052 2526 or visit our website at www.wwha.co.uk where you can report a repair online.